1. So, good noon. Good noon, guys. It is the 15th of July. So, today is Monday. Kahapon kami nag-arrive. Early morning kahapon. And walang vlog nangyari kahapon kasi we slept all day yesterday. Not all day, but we slept a lot yesterday para bawi-bawi sa flight natin. It was a long and tiring flight because my kids are so good. Hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. So, bawi-bawi ng tulog kahapon. Hindi pa ako nakapag-unpack. So, that's the plan today. Mag-unpack, mag-laundry, magtupi ng mga na-laundry ko last time before ako umalis kasi hanggang ngayon hindi pa natupi. And hindi ko naman in-expect na itutupi yun ni Dan. So, meron pa akong tupian from last time. I'm not sure. Maybe Daddy when he...
No, it was me ate because it's not meant to be.
Are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up mess?
It's meant to be.
I want to paint.
You wanna? Oh my goodness, you want to paint. Anyway, it's a cold morning today. Yesterday, my gosh guys, pagdating namin ng Adelaide, ang salubong sa amin, very foggy Adelaide. As in, sobrang foggy. Pag land ng plane, wala kang makita. Kundi yung mga lights lang kasi sobrang foggy.
I make a rainbow for you.
You wanna make a rainbow for me?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna paint?
I
It's raining outside. It's cold. And look at what you're wearing. Look at what you're wearing. Oh, tingnan niyo siya. You need more than that. That's not gonna protect you from the cold.
jacket.
Yeah, a jacket. But it's raining, my love. I'm talking about the rain. It's raining. You can paint, not paint. You can draw.
No, I just want to paint.
Hello, boy. Good morning, hello, boy. Good afternoon, hello, boy.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom! Kanina pa kami gising, but wala. Yung mga bata kanina. Ito, nagwawala. Kung ano-ano lang gusto gawin. Si Ayla din. Sis is making brekkie. I know, lunch pala. Yung rice, it's going na. Nag-ano lang yan si Miss. Nagluluto ng hotdog and egg. You want snack? No? Wait for lunch. Sorry? Oh, yes! You can draw. You can color her.
No, I want to paint her.
Let's eat. Lunch na. 12:24 na. Good eating, ate. Nandun si Ayla sa table niya. Si Arlo, busog pa kasi yan. Kain lang ng kain. But nandito na yung food niya din. Hotdog, egg, and rice. Tapos mamaya magluluto tayo ng beans with pork. Green beans with pork.
Magulan.
Yeah, umuulan na. Eat your rice, ate.
Mana kang claim? Hindi pa.
Wala pa hapit na.
Michelle, nangita po siya ka na. Nagguba mo yung luggage.
Ayla, cheers with Tita Rich!
Cheers! Boy! Give it your
Cheers! Where's your hot dog? Cheers with mommy.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh, si Arlo said, oh.
Oh.
Cheers! Oh, with mommy lang, with mommy.
Cheers!
Cheers! Boy!
Oh, good boy! Are you gonna sleep, Arlo? Ang aga niya. Ano, matagal siya nagising eh. I think you should sleep so mommy can unpack in peace. I have a lot of things to do, boy. You have rice here, man. Ayla, we have eggs. Do you want the egg white? Do you want me to cut it? Cut it? Ubus na yung hotdog niya, so kakain niya ng rice. Hindi dapat pagsabayin. Excavator! Show the guys excavator. There we go. Let's unpack, people. Unpack, people. Who's gonna help me unpack, people? My kids? Yay! You! Let's start with yung hand carry namin, luggage ni Miss. Nandito ang ibang damit namin na madumi. So, unahin ko yung maduduming damit para masalang ko na yung laundry, guys. Ate, can you help me put this in the cupboard there? Hello, Snappies. Thank you very much, all three of them. And Ate, can you get the basket, please? The laundry basket there. This is, oh, that's clean. Do I really have to wear this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wear it. Oh, can you get the basket, please? The laundry basket. Oh, thank you, baby. Let's put it there. Para hindi tayo magdampot ng isa-isa. Kasi ang hirap tumayo. Ate! Sorry, ate.
Yeah.
Kasi ni Ayla, tutulungan niya daw ako. It's Yaki. Yaki Pupo Chocolate. Okay. Here's your toy.
Ito, Mom.
You're welcome, boy. Ayla, can you put this in the...
What's
no, you
that?
broke it.
What's
That's okay.
that?
Just put that in the bin and can you put this in the
I
cabinet?
just want to do that. What's that,
Can you
Mom?
put that in the cupboard, please?
Thank
you, ate.
What's that?
In the cupboard. Yo-yo. It's yo-yo. That is yo-yo. So, makita ko sa inyo yung mga dala ko galing Pinas, guys. Hindi ko kasi na-haul. Yung grocery natin.
I did. I did.
You did? Thank you, baby.
On a week.
Ipagilid ko lang
Can you
to.
cut that? Daddy. This Daddy. Spider.
Dito yung ibang toys ni Arlo.
Spider.
Spider-Man!
Spider.
Spider-Man! Aray. Oh my goodness. May mga toys din dito.
T-Rex.
T-Rex!
Spider-Man. 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 Mom.
Yeah.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Princess shoes? Sure.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. Oh no, careful on the stairs, huh? The heels are really high on that one. Oh my gosh, all these things to put away. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready to put away stuff.
Purple pink is my favorite.
Is it?
Mom. Mom, what's that?
Huh? That's food, Arlo. Yeah. No, wrong foot. That one.
Look at that.
Alright, come on.
You want to wear those dresses?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Take one dresses. You want to wear yellow or white.
Excuse me, guys.
Diamond. Which one you want to wear?
Alright, i-load ko lang yung laundry.
Which one you want
Para
to
lang the
wear?
laundries. This one.
To wear? Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, boy.
I am wearing
Wrong way.
this one.
Oh my god, you're so guapo! This way.
No,
Oh, that way.
that way.
Yeah, that way. Put it on. Oh, so guapo!
My color. Which one's my color? Which
Oh.
one's your color? I do your
Look at the cream one.
eyes.
Show the guys. Oh, and mommy?
Little Mom. Not,
Okay.
not Mom.
You like it? Not you. What are you? A lion! Wow! Ay, nako. More color. Ah, lion! I wanna tickle this boy! I wanna tickle this boy! So guapo! Oh, show Tita Rachel Sunny's. Show Tita Rachel Sunny's, baby. Alright, here we go. Ito yung mga dala ko. Galing Pinas, guys. Akala ko sobrang dami, pero hindi pa din pala. Usually kasi kapag umuwi kami, sobrang konti lang yung dala ko. Like last time, kasi sobrang konti lang talaga. Ngayon, sabi ko, kailangan kong maglaan talaga ng, hindi man araw, but like, you know, pumunta sa shop para bumili ng mga salubong sa sarili ko. Hindi ko nabili lahat ng nasa lista ko, like yung piyaya, kasi nung nagpunta kami sa mall kasi yung pinuntahan namin, hindi yung pasalubong center. So, hindi ganun kahaba yung expiry date niya. And sabi ko, sa dami na to, baka hindi ko makain yung iba. Kasi nga, yung expiry date, like yung piyaya na nakita ko, na ata, September na mag-expire. So, feeling ko, hindi ko siya makakain. And ayoko din mag-stock ng sobrang daming pagkain. So, walang dilata dito. Yung mga lang talaga. Konti lang pala talaga, guys. But, that's okay. So, aside from... Yay!
Hello?
Oh my
Hello?
gosh.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Alright, kids. So, nagpunta kami ng Hinky. Last day namin doon sa...
It's a holiday.
Ay, nako, guys. Sit down. Who wants to roll up? Later, baby. It will come off still. It will still come off. It's too big.
I did
You're
it all
welcome.
by myself, Mama.
Oh, well done, baby.
Mom, I need to go over too.
Alright, and you go sit down there while Mama do this
Here, Mom.
school pa guys, so wala pang
Yeah,
klase si
school
Ayla.
holiday.
School holiday.
Why school holiday?
Huh?
Why school holiday?
Well, teachers and students need to have a rest from school. So that's why we have school holidays. Alright, unahin natin to yung mga nabili namin sa Hinky. So last time na umuwi kami, bumili ako ng mga balloons for Alo. And this time, bumili ako ng balloons for Ayla. Sabi ko, sana pala bumili din ako for Arlo. But that's okay. Hindi naman sa hindi natin to nakikita dito, but sobrang mura kasi talaga siya dun. As in, like, isa is 13 pesos. It's Ayla! So I got I-S-L-A for Ate Ayla. And then, this one is only 59 pesos and you get 5 balloons na Elsa. Diba? Just in case magbago din yung isip niya.
What's that?
Elsa.
Elsa?
Yeah.
Elsa?
Just in case magbago yung isip ni Ayla, at least hindi ganun kamahal yung bili natin dito. 59 pesos lang. You're gonna be 4. Do you still want an Elsa potty?
Yeah.
That's good. And I got this. Goes with the Elsa theme. Blue. And this as well. For Ate. Yay!
You got the new candles?
Yes.
Why I just dropped my candle on the floor?
You dropped it on the floor and it broke. And si Ayla, ang hilig niya sa band-aids, guys. Ang dami naming band-aids na,
I don't like my another one.
yeah, meron kami mga Disney, mga Barbie, tas hindi siya mura ha, but we buy it kasi she likes it and like kapag nagkabubo, alam mo yun. This one, guess magkano? 24 pesos a box. 24 pesos, meron ka ng 100 band-aids. So I got 3 boxes of band-aids. 300 band-aids. We shouldn't be buying band-aids anymore. Kaya lang, wala nga lang siyang print.
Band-aids anymore.
Because we have heaps already. Wala nga lang siyang print, but you know, it will do if they have boo-boo that we need to cover up. Ito, napakita ko na to sa inyo. Ito yung mga shorts na binili ko sa Metro Gaisano. 4 na shorts. Hala, hindi ko nasali sa laundry, ate. Arlo shoes, really dirty. We need to clean this.
Yeah.
Can you please put this in the laundry? Just on the bench. Thank you, baby. Thank you, ate. Sus. Uutusan mo na talaga itong ating ate. Alright, let's go show you the food. So, pahirapan yung paghanap ng growers. Hindi ko na siya nakikita dito sa Australia. Wala na ako nakikitang growers. And dun sa mall mismo, wala na yung malaki na resealable. So, ganito lang, guys. Gusto ko yung original. Ayoko yung, hindi naman sa ayaw, but mas prefer ko siya kaysa dun sa spicy at saka sa ibang flavors nila. So, I think I got, 3 lang. Yeah, gusto ko sana yung malaki. Kailan may expiration nito? December kasi yung expiration niya. December 2024. So, alam ko hindi ko siya mauubos agad. And then, I got Choco. I think si Dan yung kumuha nito. Kapag mga chocolate, si Dan yung kumukuha. Choco Crunchies. And then, isang pack lang ng pancit canton kasi I still have that pack from our last trip. Hindi pa din ubos kasi hindi naman ako maganito talaga. Ito yung favorite ko kasi, chili mansi. Hindi siya ganun kadali hanapin dito. Yung chili mansi. So, I got a pack only. The kids love this. So, I got 4 packs of butter coconut biscuits. Yung maliliit lang. Meron din silang malaki, but mas prefer ko yung maliit. Perfect for kids snacks. Tapos naka-wrap din siya ng tingta-tatlo, diba? So, maganda siya to take with us kapag lumalabas kami. Or pwede din pang lunchbox ni Ayla. 4 to. Ayan. 4 na.
Mama, I don't just
Butter
over
coconut
Mario.
Kuni. No, baby. No. No school tomorrow. Still school holiday. We need to give your teachers a rest. And this one, ang sarap nito guys. Isa lang yung kinuha ko. Isa lang talaga. Iniisip ko kasi yung expiration kasi. So kahit na sobrang damihan ko sila, hindi ko sila mauubos. Masasayang lang. Pinisi. Sarap-sarap nito. Bumili si Miss, tas tinry namin siya sa car one time nung nagpunta kami nung nagbiyahe kami papuntang Cebu City. And sarap na sarap kaming lahat. So sabi ko, I need to bring one. You wanna eat it? So that, pinisi. Ang sarap nito guys. Ay, naku, adik ako dito. Hindi naman sa adik, but I love this. Black chili. Ito yung kahinaan ko yung mga savory na mga snacks. Ito, isang pack. Nakuha na ni Arlo yung iba. Nakain na niya yung iba. Kasi siya din. Hey! Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed.
Yeah.
No more roll up. You just had lunch. No more roll up. That's enough.
Mama, say sorry to Arnold.
Why will I say sorry to Arlo?
To you.
I'm not being mean. I'm telling him to stop eating roll-ups because it's too much. Patulugin ko muna to before natin to matapos.
Can I help you wash the dishes?
I already washed the dishes. It's all done.
But that's not the washing hands.
Okay, wash your hands here in the toilet. Dinala ni Ayla dun sa toilet kasi mag-wash daw sila ng hands. So, habang nandun sila, tapusin natin. This I remember I got last time. And sarap na sarap ako sa kanya. Ay, hindi exactly this one. Pero, yung ganito, toast. Ayan. Ibang brand yung pinili ko last time. Ito mas maliit siya. So, I got 2 packs of the Mana buttered toast. Ang sarap niya sa kape, guys. And then, Fita crackers. My kids love it as well. So, I got a pack only. And then, dalawang sunshine lang. Ito nasa lista ko, kaya lang wala siya. Or, parang hindi ko siya nahanap ng maayos. Hindi ko siya nakita sa metro. Pero,
You ready to wash the Cassie?
okay. Nung nag 7-Eleven kami, may nakita akong dalawa. Dalawa na lang talaga natira. Ay, meron pa akong black chili. Ang sarap nito. Masarap din yung red chili. Pero black chili lang yung dala ko. Isa lang din yung kinuha ko kasi nga, again, yung expiration. May expire siya. Oh my gosh. June, guys. 2025. Actually, that's good. 2025. Kaya lang, parang ano na siya. Ay,
I put the
parang
toilet.
naduro. You wanna poo in the toilet?
In the toilet.
You wanna poo in the toilet? Let me see.
Toilet.
Let me see. Let me see your bum. Oh, okay. Let's try and poo. Come on. Not yet. Let's try and poo in the toilet. Quick. Come on, let's try and poo in the toilet. Do you wanna poo?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Ang daming nangyayari sa ating pag-unpack today. Pupo siya sa toilet. Hindi ko alam kung umihi, but hindi siya nag-poo. But it's a good start. We're toilet training him slowly but surely. Very slowly but surely. Alright, let's finish this up. I also got this. Hindi to na-try ng kids doon, but I think they will like it because it is a chocolate-looking biscuit. So, Tiger, it's high in calcium daw and vitamin D. So, we'll see. Puto ba yan? We have this. Masarap to, guys. Choco Joy. Pochi. Gusto din yan ni Ayla. Pero tagi-isang pack lang. Frutos. Gusto ko yan.
Can we go outside?
Is it cold?
Oh no.
Alright, go open the door. And super lamig. Wala nang snow bear. Super lamig. Nakita ko lang siya and sabi ko, look, kamukha ng snow bear. Pang ano lang, ewan ko. Bumili ako ng pack. Nakita ko lang, sabi ko, look, talaga hindi na kakain yan. Hoy! Ikaw na talaga. Come here. So we can go outside. Quick.
It's Mom.
You're welcome. Quick. Did you sit on the toilet? Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Where is Spider-Man? Asa ate? Just wait here.
Mommy, there's Spider-Man.
Here, put this on. Put this on. Put this on quick.
I do.
You're welcome.
I.
Alright, go to ate.
Bye.
Go to ate. Do you wanna wear your shoes?
There's Spider-Man.
Where? Oh, go get Spider-Man. And your shoes, please. There. Get your shoes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, bumili din ako ng pack nito kasi mas mura to din kaysa sa dito. But konti lang siya. 8 lang siya.
Mommy.
And ito, ayaw ng kid. Well, ayaw ni Arlo. Hindi pa to na-try ni Ayla. But sour daw kasi siya. I don't know. But feeling ko matutuwa si Ayla kasi para siyang yung medicine na kukunin mo. Tapos kakainin. But yeah, hindi siya nagustuhan ni Arlo. And then ito na yung last na food which is hindi galing sa Pilipinas actually. Galing sa Singapore. Si Dan yung pinabili ko kasi wala na talaga, hindi na talaga kinaya namin ni Miss na bumili nito when we were in Singapore kasi kami lang dalawa tapos meron kaming dalawang kids. Bumili siya ng 4 na ganito kalalaki, 4 na 210 grams. Binigay ko kay, 3 lang pala. 3, binigay ko kay Miss yung isa. And then, merong free na maliit na 50 grams. Ganun. Okay, itong mga natira, hindi na siya pagkain, guys. But, mga pambuhok, actually. Wait, ito is gamot. Konti lang, 2 lang. Kasi 2 na lang yung available na napunta si Mark sa pharmacy. So, we got the paracetamol tempra na strawberry. So, hindi siya same nung gustong-gusto na Ella, which is the Biogesic ata yun. But, I got 2 of those para sa mga bata. And that covers both Ayla and Arlo as well kasi it's for 1 to 5 years old. Ito, gustong-gusto ni Miss. Hindi ko naman kailangan na ng deodorant. But gustong-gusto siya ni Miss nung nasa Pilipinas siya. Ito yung gamit niya. Sabi niya, ang ganda daw. Nag-hoard siya. Bumili siya ng marami. So, nakita ko yung cart niya. Ang dami mong dala. Sabi niya, gustong-gusto niya daw. So, kumuha din ako ng dalawa. Tapos, ganito na siya. Nakapack na siya, guys. Ito yung from Bello, yung Intense White na deodorant. Tapos, meron siyang free na underarm whitening cream daw. So, I got 2 packs of these. May expire pa naman siya November 2025. Yeah. Sabi ni Miss, maganda daw kasi. Alright, we're almost done, guys. Konting-konti lang pala to. Yes, baby. You're helping mama. I got this as well for the kids. Johnson's na baby bath. Milk and rice na baby bath. Sa Metro, bumili ako ng hair treatment. Treatment pa to? Yes, daily treatment from Cream Silk. It is, ang bango niya. Hindi ko pa to nagamit, hindi ko pa to na-try, but nung nakita ko kasi parang okay yan gamitin. We'll see. Try natin. Buy one, get second, 50% off yung deal sa Metro. So, I got this pack. And meron na ako nito actually. Kasi before kami nag-Metro, nagpunta kami, nung nasa Dusitani tayo, nasa Mactan tayo, nagpunta kami sa Robinsons dun sa Newtown. Newtown ba yun? Sa Mactan, Newtown. And nakapag-shopping ako ng very, very light dun. As in, very, very light lang. Ito lang yung nabili ko dun sa Robinsons. More hair products. So, yung binili ko dun sa Robinsons is yung Vita Keratin. Hindi ko din alam kung maganda to, guys. Hindi ko pa to na-try tong mga to, but I will let you know. Vita Keratin na hair. Daily treatment din siya. So, instead of using siguro conditioner, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. And ito yung isa lang, yung binili ko. Bango-bango nito. Bango-bango nito. Yung Vita Keratin, mabango din. Yeah. And then, ito, binili ko din. Hindi na ako nagdagdag nito nung nagpunta kami ng Metro. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa to na-try itong mga to. And baka hindi okay. So, kapag nag-road trip tayo, mag-travel tayo just within South Australia lang, at least hindi ko na dadalhin yung buong tab. Meron na ako nito. Kaya lang hindi siya same brand nung mga yun. It's Kera Plus Brazilian Keratin Smooth treatment, pero it's in sachet. So, it's perfect for, again, when you go traveling, na hindi ganun kahaba, like for a weekend lang or ilang araw lang. This is perfect. Yung maganda sa Pilipinas, meron kayong mga sachet-sachet eh. Yung dito kasi hindi common yung mga sachet-sachet. So, kapag nagta-travel kami, yung dala namin is either yung mga travel size na nakukuha namin sa mga hotel, yung kinikip namin yung iba. Like with the toothpaste, yung mga nakukuha namin sa dentist namin. Kasi kapag pupunta kami every 6 months, binibigyan nila kami ng mga travel size ng mga toothpaste. Like sa Philippines, marami kayong mga sachet-sachet. Kami wala masyado. But that's it. Isa-segregate ko yung mga magsistay dito, ipuput away dito. At saka yung sa taas, ilalagay ko balik sa luggage, i-close ko, and then Dan can bring it up tonight. And I will put it away. Alright. So, hindi siya ganun kadami. Feeling ko ang dami na nun, pero hindi siya ganun kadami.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands.
And I'm back. Sige, mag-vlog ka muna dyan. May pa-milk tea si sis. Thank you. Brown sugar milk tea. Si Ayla kasi kanina pa. Milk tea ng milk tea. Na-miss niya siguro yung milk tea dito.
I don't like my milkshake.
Milkshake.
You said you like brownies. Lame?
Okay.
Lame kayo? Dark chocolate? Sarap nga niyan. Lagi ko nga itong binibili sa Singapore, di ba? Pag nadaanan. Pag nadaanan lang namin. And most of the time, nadadaanan naman namin siya. Hindi ko naman siya hinahanap.
Ang bango pa, no? As in. Next time punta layover again sa Singapore. Puntahan ko yan.
Yeah. Bumili kami ng 4 eh. Nakain namin kahapon yung macadamia. Sarap na mainit-init pa. Kahapon natin yun kinain. Yeah. Tapos yung naiwan, yung pinili ni Miss Dark Chocolate. Tapos may isa pang macadamia. At saka yung isa, Nutella. Meron pa dun. Cheers! Tapos na ako mag-laundry. Nakapagsampay na din ako. Nakapag-fold na din ako. And Arlo sleeping as well. So nakatulog ko din si Arlo. Meron actually tayong package dun, ate.
Ba't na? Naala ko.
We have a package there, Ayla. Do you wanna get it so Mama can open?
I'm gonna open it too.
Sure.
It's for me, mommy.
Okay. Hintayin natin. Galing to kay MJ. Galing to kay MJ. Yung nagmamain sa'yo din? Pag uwi namin, meron kaming ganito, guys. Galing kay MJ. Itong batang ko talaga. Allah. Here we go. Alright, let's show them. Oh my gosh. Seriously?
Wow!
Big mom.
They're all new!
Look at this.
Gusto niya.
Look at this one. The dog say, Mom. What does that say?
Hmm?
What does that say?
Oh my gosh.
What, Mom? What does that say?
She's pregnant as well. Uy, thank you, Bea. Thank you so much sa iyong pa-letter. And I'm so happy for you.
Chocolate.
Guys, meron siyang vlog. Ililive ko siya sa link niya sa baba. Kasi she does family vlogs as well. Travel vlogs. And sabi niya, pasensya na ate, may regalo na naman ako. Kasi every time makakatanggap kami ng regalo pa rin, hindi na talaga kasi kailangan. But thank you, Bea. Ang bait-bait nito. Nagkakilala kami, ang tagal na wala pa kaming mga kids. Ngayon, meron na siyang Mia. Oh! It's for Hello! Hello? Over. Wala. Nalipay. It's for Arlo. Marami for Arlo. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang gaganda. Dino. Oh my gosh, ang cute.
Mommy, those are nice.
Ang cute. Ay, ang ganda naman.
Quick, Mom.
Oh my God! Seriously? Oh my gosh, I think it lights up. Arlo will love this. Meron na nga Iron Man si Arlo, but this lights up. Antrociraptor.
Masakit ko ni Eve.
Thank you.
Mom, it's more.
Wait, Ayla, there's more. Here. Where's mine? Mom, where's mine?
I know it's dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs again for Arlo. Hala, uy, baby. Ikaw na talaga.
Tigers.
Sobrang spoiled ng mga bata sa'yo.
Tigers.
Lion.
Lion.
Is it for Ayla or Arlo? Arlo! Oh my gosh, ang cute!
And look at this one.
Ang cute!
Mom, this is for me.
Oh wow, it is for you! Frozen!
Frozen factor now.
What do you say to Tita? Tita MJ? What do you say to Tita MJ first? What do you say?
Say thank you, Ate Eve.
Say thank you.
So,
Hiya siya, guys. And this is for Arlo. Parang mayroon na ganito si Arlo. Same ba yun? Another one for Arlo. He loves his dinosaurs. Makukumpleto na talaga namin ang dinosaur family. Gosh, this is perfect! As in perfecto. What's this, Ayla? She's into puzzles now. Puzzle!
I like puzzles.
I know you do.
I like Ariel.
Yeah, so you've got Ariel. You've got the princesses. And who's this?
Puzzle.
Rapunzel! Thank you, babe.
Mom,
Ang perfect
I want
nito
to
kasi
open it.
gustong-gusto niya yung
Open.
puzzle na binigay sa
Open.
Singapore Airlines.
Mama, open for me.
Hala, open na agad-agad. Do you have any mess there that you need to put away?
Oh, a boo is still out.
Yeah, it's still out. Go put away your mess and then we'll open your toys. Ay! Partner siya nito. Hala, babe, thank you, babe.
Mommy,
May mga outfit na si Arlo. Kasi alam niyo ba, nakalimutan ko isang package na damit ng mga bata. Hindi ko nalagay sa luggage.
put it in.
Oh, Ayla! This is for Ate. Oh my gosh, Ate, look. That's beautiful. That's for you. From Tita MJ. And this one, actually, wala na siya masyadong t-shirts ngayon. Yung mga t-shirts niya, guys, ang liliit na. So that's perfect. Thank you. Ang gaganda pa. Puro mga Disney. And another one. Ayla, you like Paw Patrol now, don't you?
I do like that.
She likes Paw Patrol a little bit. Just a little bit.
I like Paw
Aww, and for baby Gail.
Oh, nice.
Aww. Is this perfect for baby Gail?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is perfect for baby Gail. Wala pa kami masyadong damit para kay baby girl. Na mga maliliit. Na mga ganitong size from newborn to 1 year. Kasi nga, diba? Nag-declutter ako ng malupit. But we're slowly getting there. And ito, ang cute. Ay, ang cute! Ay, thank you, babe. Ang ganda din ng mga aesthetic nito ni MJ. Ang ganda niya pumili ng mga damit. Yung mga kakulayan niya din. Parang similar sa gusto ko. Yan. And yan. This is where I need to go. I need to go to Best and Less for kids' clothes and stuff. But hindi na namin kailangan. Ang dami na namin damit. Leggings. Thank you, babe. Oh, ang cute naman ito. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Thank you, bebe. Hala, ang gaganda naman ito, ate. You're so lucky.
Yes.
Yeah, you are lucky. Thank you, bebe. I-leave ko yung link ng vlog niya sa baba, guys, ha. Check out niyo yung kanyang vlog. Taga-Australia din siya, taga-Perth. Doon kami nag-meet sa Perth. Nung pumunta kami ni Dan sa Perth,
Mom, open.
nanood kami ng Footy
And
1
please
year.
open this for me, Mom. Open.
Kakagising niya lang.
Open.
Tingnan nyo. Open. Alright, open.
Open, Mom.
Binigay ni Ayla yung 3 boxes. Ito yung pinili niya. What's this, Arlo? Raptor. Good boy. Okay, wait. May Iron Man at saka yung parang Stegosaurus na itsura. Ito yung pinili niya. Good job, Arlo. Good choice. Oh, what do you say? You're welcome. Say thank you, Tita MJ. Arlo, say thank you, Tita MJ. Stegosaurus. You have that already. Iron Man. You have that as well.
That's Raptor.
That's Raptor. Good boy. Alright, mag-start tayo mag-prepare ng dinner. Beans, green beans with pork yung ating ulam today.
Go on pizza, it's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Luto na yung pork natin, guys. Masarap na yung sabaw. Tapos sobrang lambot na din ng pork. Ilalagay ko na yung ating green beans. And then sunod ko na agad yung carrots. Takpan ko lang to saglit. Tapos isusunod ko yung carrots maya-maya lang. Kumakain na pala kami, guys. Ano kasi si Ayla, nagpapa-music ng mga music video. Copyright. You can't hear. Minute ko kasi copyright ang hirap mag-edit. But luto na. Is it luto? Huh? Where's Ayla? She's not eating. She's not hungry yet. But are you eating? Ate. Yummy. Good boy.
Last night, did you just want to relax in bed and the kids get to come in and annoy you?
Welcome.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh. What are you eating?
Mommy. Hair.
What is it? Yung hair
Yucky chocolate.
Yucky
I
chocolate.
want you.
Like poo.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow. I like yellow. What's your favorite color, Alo?
Mom,
Thank you, baby.
you want to do it?
Sure, I can draw. I can
No,
draw.
Mom.
What? Oh, sorry, baby.
You want to do it?
Cute ni
Let's
Ari.
want your favorite color next.